Creating a sketch with crayon, checking in the mirror is my heel straight. With dark green body paint and pointed brush, I am painting heel first and with my petal brush the rest of design. With white crayon, I am drawing a line and make upper part of the heel. Checking in the mirror to see is it too high or not, using pointed brush and red paint to paint the bottom of the shoe. After shading of 3D heel, I am adding dark red to make a depth. To highlight edges, I am adding light green and neon green eyeshadow and small petal brush. Blend with a finger too. Checking again in my mirror is everything good so I can finish. White paint adding at the bottom to make heel more visible because I will stand on white surface. Using again small round brush. And voila! Hope you enjoyed it. At the end, I am using wet wipe and erase everything.